Hello everyone, and today we are back with C# learning guide, and today we will be learning if statements. Now, if statements are actually you're starting to get into the real world of programming, but we will not learn only if statements, but also bool as a variable type. So, what is bool? Well, bool is typed like this. Bool, okay. Let's say, okay. Variable, okay, and bools can only hold true or false. So let's say bool variable equals true. Okay, now if statements are basically checking if the statement is true. If it's true, it will make some block of code. If it's not true, it will do nothing or something else. Okay, let's see. So if brackets, and then you want to say variable, if variable equals, now when you're comparing you need to have a double equal sign. Okay, if variable equals true, which it equals, then we want to, let's say, print hello world. Okay, let's see, hello world, and see hello world, because the variable is true and it's checking if it's true. Now you can actually do this by just saying the name of the variable. If it's bool, it will just say if it's true, this variable is true, it will do this code. You don't need to add this double equals and then true, but it's optional. Okay, now let's see, we'll add this true. Okay, and now we'll change this to false. What will happen? And you're right, it will print nothing, because it will only do this block of code if the variable is true, and which now is not a true statement, it's false, so it will not do this. But we can add else, and here you can do if the variable is false or this statement is not true, it will do this code. Okay, so let's say if variable equals true, which is not, it will not do this, but will do here inside the else, basically. Console the right line and change this to not true. Okay, and this will be, let's say, okay, very stupid. Yes, it's true. Let's run the program. Not true. You can see if you can change this to true. Now if you run the program, you can see that it said yes, it's true. So now the basics. Okay, okay, I forgot one thing. Okay, you can add, if the statement is not true, then you can add if else if variable equals false, it will do this. Okay, so if this statement is not true, it will do this statement, and if this is true, it will do this block of code. But if either of these statements are not true, then there's the final else, and it will do if this and this statement is not true. You can add a lot of these else ifs. Let's say you can have 20 or 30, 30, you know. So this is some actually nice program. Okay, so let's say you wanna know if you're an adult or no. So one last thing we're gonna learn is string equals console.readline. Now readline basically reads, what did I do wrong? Oh yeah, okay, string text equals console.readline. There's some these signs. Okay, just this. Now just keep it like this, ignore this still line. Okay, so string text equals console.readline. Now this, when you run the program in a console, you will have like an entry field that you can type in. You will type something in, and it will be stored in this variable. So let's see, if you type, let's change this to int, because you want just number, like age. In text, okay, sorry, you need to have this on string, because this only returns variable of string, or type of variable string. Now you wanna say if text equals, now this is string, so we need to add these guys. I again don't know their type. their name. And text equals, let's say, what is the weather? Okay, this will say that let's say what is the weather. Okay, yeah, well, I'm not doing that, but we'll choose the like what's the weather. What is it typing, man? Okay, console the right line, and I will say the weather is good. Nice. Then at else, you know, this kind of stupid, but weather is bad. So if we type the weather is good, it will say, or if it say what is, you can see that there's a now entry because of this thingy. Okay, so if okay, no, I'm sorry. If okay, why? What is the weather? Okay, the weather is good. Very nice. Let's run a program again and type something else like okay, and the weather is bad. So you know the basics of the this and the console the reline. So yeah, it's pretty good. So you can start actually programming like you know, you can, let's say, int number equals 10, int second number equals 20. Now let's do if number is more, if the number, the first variable, is less than the second number, it will do number is less than the second number. Very nice. Now let's add else, and here console number is greater than the second number. Okay, we can tweak this, but yeah, the number is less than the second number. So yeah, these were the basics of the if statements. It's a great thing, you can like compare stuff with it, you know. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. This was a shorter one probably, but yeah, hope you liked it.